Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your Disney Plus profile icon, profile customization step by step clearly. Open the Disney Plus app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or go to disneyplus.com on your computer. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Disney Plus account. On the app, tap your profile icon in the bottom right or top corner, depending on your device. On a web browser, click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Edit Profiles. Choose the profile you want to customize by selecting its name or avatar. Select the profile icon or avatar image to open the icon selection screen. If you see a pencil or edit icon on the avatar, click or tap it to start changing the icon. Browse the available icon categories such as Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic. Scroll through the icon options slowly to find a character or design you like. Tap or click the icon you want to use to preview it on your profile. Confirm your selection by choosing Save, Done, or Select, depending on the device. If you want to change your profile name at the same time, select the name field and type the new name. Check your spelling and keep the name appropriate for a shared household account. If there is a kid's profile toggle and you are setting up for a child, enable it to keep content more age appropriate. If you do not want a kid's profile, leave that toggle off and continue. Look for a Save button before leaving the page, because some devices require manual saving. Select Save to apply the new profile icon and any other changes you made. Return to the profile selection screen to confirm the updated icon appears correctly. If the icon does not update immediately, close the app completely and open it again. On mobile, you can also try logging out and logging back in to refresh the profile display. On smart TVs or streaming devices, restart the Disney Plus app from the system menu if needed. If you manage multiple profiles, repeat the same steps for each profile you want to customize. To avoid confusion, choose unique icons for different family members. If you cannot access edit profiles, check whether you are using a restricted device profile or parental controls. If prompted for a password, enter the account password to authorize profile changes. Make sure your Disney Plus app is updated to the latest version to see the newest icon options. Once everything looks correct, select your updated profile and start watching with your new avatar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.